Good morning, my Facebook family. We have a program at my job called TNR, which we fix stray cats for free. It has to be a feral cat that's living in the streets. And I just want to show y'all a true feral cat. One that I'm a threat to whatever I do. Paper. You put paper in a cage, he's going to attack the paper. So let me see if he's going to do. Okay. Okay. What's up, baby? He's ready to attack. So, and he's aggravated with me now. He's getting louder and louder. Okay. All right. So all of these cats are going for surgery today to stop the overpopulation in the community. What's up? Uh-oh. You trying to attack my hand? Okay.